Have you ever bought something online at 2 a.m. only to wonder why you did it when the box arrives? You're not alone. You don't have a money problem. You have an impulse trap. Meet Impulse Ivan. Ivan works hard. He makes a decent salary. But every time he gets a raise, his lifestyle gets more expensive. New shoes, the latest tech, premium subscriptions. He's running on a financial treadmill and going nowhere. Common Sense Cal has a simple rule for Ivan. It's called the 48-hour rule. Before buying anything over $50, you must wait 2 full days. If the need is still there after the dopamine fades, then it's a choice. If not, it's a trap. When Ivan started doing this, he found an extra $400 a month he didn't know he had. That's nearly $5,000 a year, just by using common sense.